Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. As we can see, I'm outside and this is my brother-in-law's farmhouse. It's too sunny, so I'm wearing this hat. So this is the farmhouse. We are going for fishing and we are going to cook that. So I hope you enjoy this video.
아버님 이제 나가주세요.
저. net pitore asa. हाँ, I'm taking. ये भी.
चलो उठा भी
बरो 저 우고
아주도 피쉬데 로컬 마스 두리아스데 또 서비 이니가 보고 라노 나이쇼마 라노 나이쇼 로컬
저
마스
라노
아마 로컬 마스 스디다 쇼 로컬 마스 스디다 쇼 쇼 마스 스디다 아마 피쉬 스디다 달리비
어이 한 마리 더.
만도도 아주
맞아도 안 다 줄는 거 자기야.
너무 주도.
뜨스러름 딜라이 뜨려 주마마
왜 말도 불러주게
얘들 빌라보도 얘들 올라비 얘들 빌라주고 올라버리 이대로 호지
원래 이때가 사 뭐 피스나
저 라노 사비도. 저도 fish ka.
first over there. Try.
또 맛이 미타세요. 나노 아론조 베트라나 딱히 자마상하서 가는 거 내려와
따초 무슨
사비나 바이시도 당어도
따초
당어려라 비시니 시나세. 라라 간데서도 맘이 가다 이거. 만도 나 보니 밥이 되겠지. 오이나. सब मिला बिजली वीडियो नी बोलाई जिदे वीडियो लोनी नी बोलाई जिदे छोटो माछ थोड़ी आज मन
이도 피시바 도라 마스도 이만 누르시대 이다도 비시 마스 타가네 시도 간네 하세 걸비 이도간 비시 떼서세 단다딘 나가 마스도 비시 떼서세
Paano bunay na khawale je. Fish kan munduk lagi. We are going to cook this. My brother-in-law is going to cook.
I'm not going to cook the way we have cooked, I mean, on that day, but this will be quite different cooking again. I don't know. I may not be cooking, but I'll just try to, dress this fish. This is, again, very fresh. You do like this? No. You do like this, Yeah, like this, yes? Like this. Wow. Jadi lah, ulup jangan sabi. Asalnya ulup terperlu.
Naga mana nu camera
Kete, ini telepon ada deh.
So we are going to cook this fish. We have already added this green chili and tomato. Now we will add this bamboo shoot also. Now we are adding salt. Chalo, so we have finished the cooking. Now we are going to have, this is rice. These are all rice, isn't it? I think these are also rice. Yeah. See this, wow. Pork in Naga style. Yeah. Green pea ka chutney. Uske baad, this is chicken. This is also chicken. Another type of recipe. This is salad. We won't open it now. And this is mushroom and brinjal, machinga. This is karela fry, crispy fry.
Dal.
Dal na? This is dal. And this is the fish that we cooked here. So we are going to enjoy it. See, we have this charkuna also. Star food. And this is lemon. So we are going to enjoy this. Hello guys, khana shuru. This is the traditional way of eating food with banana leaves here.
Champion.
And the pork. Picture ko sindi lago. Todo ka ko ne. Sinis, yummies. Talik ta ko. That's it. Sen. Really? Yeah. Chicken is it? Salad is it? Machia, brinjal and mushroom. Karela crispy fry. Arrow fish. Imli. See, my plate is surrounded with sabji only.
Only.
Sabji, no rice.
Only.
Yeah.
So much drama.
हो गया?
Near the fireplace. Man tasty as well.
Oh, Lenu, what are you doing?
Okay guys, we enjoyed a lot today and that's all for today. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you really like watching this video, please, those who have not subscribed, please subscribe this channel and also don't forget to hit the notification icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Tata. Bye. Bye.